So hey guys, what's up? So welcome to World News 20 News channel. So let's talk about White House rejects key guidelines as they could slow down reopening. The Trump administration has rejected detailed guidelines from health experts to help schools, restaurants, churches, and other establishments safely reopen, saying they are too prescriptive. According to several administration officials, the White House has asked for revisions from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, whose public health experts wrote the guidance, but some officials at the CDC have privately expressed concern that the recommendations will never be posted publicly. In a senior staff meeting at the White House last week, Mark Meadows, the chief of the staff, expressed concern that the guidelines were overly prescriptive. According to a person familiar with the discussion, Meadows' concern, the official said, was that the guidelines were too uniform and regressive for places with minimum number of cases. A copy of the guidance obtained by the New York Times includes sections in dealing with the child care programs, schools and day camps, communities of faith, employers with vulnerable workers, restaurants and bars, and mass transit administrators. President Trump has been desperate to reopen the country quickly amid the worst economic meltdown since the Great Depression. The detailed CDC guidance was seen by the members of the White House Coronavirus Task Force and other aides as a document that could slow down that effort. According to several people with the knowledge of the deliberations inside the West Wing, the dissension on the guidelines was reported by the Associated Press. The guidance, which the CDC first submitted to the White House in draft from the 2 weeks ago, was meant to help the states, local governments, and businesses adopt measures that will help keep the virus from spreading once they opened. But several federal agencies, including the Department of Labor and the Office of the Civil Rights within the Department of the Health and Human Services, protested, saying it would be harmful to businesses and the economy and too prescriptive for the houses of the worship, in particular, and the federal officials said. So if you like the channel, so kindly subscribe to it.